Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get ChatGPT Codex on Windows 11. First, open ChatGPT and log into your account. Make sure you have access whether you're using the free or paid plan. Then, look for Code or Codex features inside ChatGPT because Codex is already included and no extra purchase is needed. Next, use Codex inside ChatGPT, which is the easiest way. In ChatGPT, enter coding prompt like build a Python app or use code-related options if they are visible. Codex will handle coding tasks in the background and generate results automatically. After that, you can download the Codex desktop app for Windows, install it, open it, and sign in using your ChatGPT account. This Windows app was officially released in 2026 and gives you a smoother coding experience. Now, install Visual Studio Code on your system. Add a Codex extension or use supported tools like Cursor. Then sign in with your ChatGPT account. This allows Codex to edit files, run code, and fix bugs directly inside your editor. Finally, you can use Codex CLI for advanced usage. Open your terminal and type npm install-g at OpenAI/Codex to install it. Then run Codex, sign in, and start performing coding tasks directly from the command line. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.